A little bit anticlimactic, I know, but we're wearing the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row because, I mean, look at them. They're awesome. As part of a campaign to encourage more urban living in the city and more people doing stuff downtown, I guess, the city installed a whole bunch of temporary pop-up parks with like benches and trees, and this one has a ping pong table, which is amazing. I love ping pong, but there's never any ping pong balls and there's never any ping pong paddles here. What's the point of having a ping pong table in the middle of the city without ping pong balls and ping pong paddles? I don't get it. I hope you guys are feeling good today though. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling excited. Today is an awesome day for me. I get to pick up an awesome pair of sneakers. I have a great lunch meeting planned, and it doesn't look like it's going to thunderstorm today, which I guess is a positive. As always, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I'll leave links down in the description for both of those. That being said, let's get going.
Oh, the pro? Yeah, he was nice. See, everybody remember him from the Knicks, you know, when he helped win that second championship and everything like that, but I'm talking about when he was with the Bullets down Winston-Salem Stadium before that game.
Basketball
42
movie
points
ever
a game
made.
the whole
The second
season,
best
41.6.
Spike Lee movie ever made, if you ask me, behind Do the Right Thing. He
Yeah,
Got
they put
Game with
shackles on
Ray
him,
Allen,
you know,
my
on his
favorite
whole
player,
game
and
and locked him up
Denzel,
like
debatably one of my
straitjacket, son.
favorite actors, and the He Got Game
He was in the
13,
streets of Philly.
debatably
Played
one
my
of my
house.
favorite Jordans. I saw the movie for the first time the same year that I was getting into sneakers. I was 15 years old and I was starting to learn a little bit about sneakers. I was starting to learn a little bit about basketball culture, more than I had previously known. And I watched He Got Game and I saw those Jordan 13s, and they are so nice. And they retroed in 2013 when I was 16 or 17. And I wanted them so badly, and they were $170, and me being a broke teenager, I didn't have the money. And I specifically remember going on a school trip the week after they came out, stopping at a highway rest stop, going to get McDonald's or Chick-fil-A or whatever the heck we were eating, and seeing this lady standing in line in front of me wearing the He Got Game 13s was just the most soul-crushing feeling I have ever felt, knowing that I was like $10 short of being able to buy them on release day, but me being a broke kid wasn't able to, and I was just forced to stare at them instead of wear them. Fast forward 5 years, the He Got Games release again today, and I'm ridiculously excited. So I'm at the mall right now, and I think it opens up in like 10 minutes. I don't know how limited these are gonna be. I don't know if there's gonna be a line. I don't know if there's gonna be no one. I could very well be the first person to come in and pick them up. I don't know how to judge the hype and popularity of Jordan releases anymore. If I had to guess, I'd say these sell out within the week. I don't think they're gonna sell out today, but I don't think they're gonna be sitting on shelves for very long. If I had to guess. I honestly have absolutely no idea what's gonna happen though. Okay, the store just opened up. I'm literally the first person in here, and there's no one else, so I guess I got my size. Okay, lunch meeting went great. It's 2:01 right now, and we are back in the apartment. I was just checking out footlocker.com, and it looks like a few sizes of these have already sold out. Size 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, size 10, size 10.5 have sold out on Foot Locker. So most of the small sizes, in fact, all of the small sizes have sold out, which is crazy. I wasn't expecting that quick of a sell-through on this pair of kicks. This is what I love about sneakers, though. It's times like this that I'm like, oh yeah, I get to actually pick up a pair of sneakers that I've wanted for years. It's exciting, it's nostalgic. The memories behind this, the history behind it. Obviously Jordan wore these. Obviously Denzel Washington wore these in one of my favorite basketball movies. And I wanted these so bad 5 long years ago, and I had to wait 5 years to pick these up, and I finally got them, and it just feels so good. In my opinion, that's what sneakers is about. I'd much rather grab these than a pair of hyped sneakers, because this is just more fun for me. Like, this has better memories, this makes me more excited, and to grab this pair of sneakers, I think, is just awesome. I really, really am happy that I was able to grab these with no problem at all. And not only do they have memories, and not only does it make me excited to finally get these, they also look freaking amazing. The Ray Allen 13s are my favorite 13s, just due to the history behind that. But they're white and green. It's not necessarily the most aesthetically pleasing color scheme. These might be my favorite looking 13s. Now, it's a tough decision. It's definitely a toss-up. It has to be between these and between these. I like the white sneakers better than the black sneakers. I like these better than the Breds. I definitely like these better than the Breds. The Breds are classic, don't get me wrong. There's just something about the white base of a pair of sneakers that just looks better in my opinion. I like the way it wears better. I like the way it looks better. I like how it gets dirty and dingy after time. That's stuff that I like about white sneakers. So it has to be a toss-up between these in terms of which I like better. It really is a good looking shoe. Like, I'm super impressed with the execution of this. I don't have any glue stains on my pair, which I'm very happy about. Obviously the leather quality is not premium by the slightest, even the most ridiculous exaggeration of the word. It is not premium. It's hard, it's tough, it's plasticky feeling leather, but I honestly don't care. I was gonna buy this shoe whether it was made of cardboard or whether it was made of Louis Vuitton handbags. Like, I really don't care what the leather is on these. Just know that it's not premium. If that's something you care about, don't buy these. This is not suede, it feels like felt. If that's something you care about, don't buy these. If you care about having a classic, iconic pair of Air Jordans, then 100% buy these while they're still in stock, because as I said, some of the sizes are selling out already, and by the end of the week, I think these things are going to be completely gone. Going over a quick little thing on this pair of shoes, quick little run around, little mini review. You have a Jordan there, you have black tumbled leather, then you have the white up here. I do have to say the white leather is considerably softer than the black leather. Then you have the felty suede on this panel, and as well as the midsole, the white things poking up. You have the Panther Paw outsole with that big green eye. You have the holographic 23 Jumpman there. The back is one of my favorite parts. How nice does that look? I just think that looks amazing. And I also love the lacing system, how it laces up on the inside of the shoe so you can't see the lace holes. I think that's a very, very cool design. One of the first shoes to do it, and it looks awesome. It looks sleek. It looks like the laces are hidden away. And then poking around there, you can barely see it, you have a red Jumpman on the black tongue. So yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know about how the Jordan 13 He Got Game looks like. I mean, we've all seen them before, but seeing them in person and having them in hand, I'm really excited. Picking these up and having these in the collection now just makes me want to watch He Got Game again, and I don't have it on DVD, and it's not on Netflix anymore, and I'm terrible at finding good streaming websites, so I haven't been able to find a good version of the movie to watch, and I'm really upset because I really, really want to watch the movie now, but I haven't found anywhere to watch it. What's your favorite scene of the movie? If you haven't seen He Got Game, you need to go check it out. You need to go watch it. One of the best basketball movies ever made. One of the best Denzel movies ever made. I'd say Training Day is probably the best, but I love He Got Game. I also am very biased because my favorite basketball player is in it. I finally have a pair of Air Jordan 13 He Got Game. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to stay tuned and turn on those post notifications because China videos are going to be coming within the next week, and that is going to completely shift up this channel. We'll be doing stuff you've never seen, stuff you've never expected from me before, and it's going to be better, it's going to be crazy, it's going to be amazing. So make sure to turn on the post notifications. If you haven't already, Make sure to hit that like button if you're watching till the end of the video. Let me know that you support the channel by commenting spaghetti down in the comment section below so I know that you watched until the end of the video. That being said, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you very, very soon. Eric, what is your favorite scene from He Got Game?
My favorite scene from He Got Game?
Your favorite scene from He Got Game?
I've never seen He Got Game.
Are you what?
I know. Can I peel that off?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, bro, that's gonna be so satisfying. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I can't even do it. I can't even do it. I never saw the movie. I can't peel the
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That was
satisfying. You owe me a Coke.